Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we will learn how to take slow motion video in Poco X3 Pro smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open camera. Then you can find more option here. So in the more option you can find the slow motion. You need to click that. So after you click that, you can shoot the slow motion video. So I will drop down this pause. Now I stopped that. Now you can find the slow motion. So in the slow motion option you can change the frame rate also. You can change it to 960 fps. So but this one is required more lighting. In indoor lighting it's not enough. You need to shoot in this one is outdoor. So the good lighting is needed. So that's all guys. With this method you can shoot the slow motion video in Poco X3 Pro. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.